breaking in again. One more time for a tornado warning. This one is in Mike.
I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway.
National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.
Riding that storm run through my veins like a shot down tailspin airplane.
Hazard, all the call signs hail at 60 miles per hour with gun.